In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the iCloud server error in just 5 minutes. Dealing with iCloud server issues can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to access important data. But don't worry, I'll guide you through a few simple steps to get everything back up and running smoothly. First things first, you'll want to check Apple's system status. This might sound basic, but sometimes the issue is not on your end at all. By visiting the Apple system status page, you can verify whether the iCloud servers are currently experiencing any outages. Apple maintains this page to keep users informed about the status of their services. If there are any reported problems, it might just be a waiting game as Apple resolves the issue on their end. If everything looks good on Apple's status page, the next step is to restart your device. This universal troubleshooting step can resolve a host of unexpected issues. Simply power off your iPhone or iPad, wait a full 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. These few moments give your device the chance to reset its connections and processes, potentially clearing any temporary glitch that was causing the error. If after a restart the problem persists, try signing out and back into iCloud. To do this, open your settings, tap on your name at the top, and scroll all the way down to find the sign out option. Once you've signed out, it's a good habit to restart your device again before signing back in. This action can refresh and re-establish your connection to your iCloud data and could be the straightforward fix you need. Sometimes an outdated iOS or iPadOS can cause compatibility issues leading to server errors. Therefore, it's crucial to ensure your device's software is up to date. Go to your settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. Here, your device will check for any available updates. If an update is available, make sure to install it. Keeping your software current ensures you have the latest fixes and enhancements Apple has issued, which might just resolve the iCloud server error. By following these steps, I've guided you through a common troubleshooting protocol that addresses software connectivity issues. These actions are simple, yet they tackle the majority of iCloud-related glitches users encounter daily. If you complete all these steps and still face issues, the problem might be more complex, possibly requiring further technical support. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful, and remember, technical issues can usually be resolved with a bit of patience and the right guidance. Thank you for watching, and good luck getting everything working smoothly again.